Discover city living as it should be in the city of Elmina, a sustainable megacity located strategically in Shah Alam, Selangor, where wellness is woven into the very fabric of its development. There comes a place to experience it all at new heights. Welcome to the Elmina City Center, a hallmark of future city living. This 350-acre sustainable master plan embodies the 15-minute city concept for a livable and healthy way of life. Live, work, shop, play, and learn with nature and wellness surrounding you. We believe in coexisting with nature. Crafted to embrace its natural surroundings, Elmina City Center is the first urban master plan to integrate a 5-kilometer biodiversity corridor right at its heart. A low-carbon city that champions urban biodiversity and a harmonious relationship between people and nature. Elmina City Center is thoughtfully designed for walkability and micromobility. The well-planned pedestrian walkways, wide sidewalks, and dedicated cycling paths make getting around a breeze. Elmina City Center is about fostering a vibrant community with the curation of lively community hubs that reflect your passions and lifestyles